Hi guys, if your JBL Tune Beam earbuds are stuck in the mono mode and only one earbud is playing the sound, the problem can be caused by the failed earbud sync, or sometimes it is due to Bluetooth pairing conflict or one earbud not reconnecting properly to the main unit. So in this guide you are going to learn how you can restore the full stereo mode and how you can properly resync both the earbuds step by step. So in the first step, what you need to do is you need to simply put both of your JBL Beam earbuds into this particular case and make sure that the charging indicators activate correctly. Now, if one earbud is not charging properly, it may never reconnect to the stereo mode. Also, you need to check for any type of dirt on the charging pins, misaligned earbuds or low battery on one side. A partially discharged earbud is one of the most common causes of the mono only playback. After doing so, simply remove the earbuds from the Bluetooth devices. For that, you just have to open the Bluetooth setting on your iPhone. Now, when you are inside the Bluetooth settings, among the given options here in this list, you just have to simply select your JBL Tune Beam device. Now, when you select your device, when you are inside it, you will see this forget this device option. So this is the most important, because phones sometimes save only a single earbud connection after a sync failure. So if you reconnect without charging or without clearing the old pairing, the earbuds may stay locked in the independent mono mode. So after doing this, you just have to simply place both the earbuds inside this charging case, then press and hold the touch controls on both the earbuds for about 10 seconds until the LED indicator flash or reset. So this is going to clear the internal pairing relationship between the left and the right earbud, and it will forces them to rebuild the stereo synchronization. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the JBL earbud is working properly. Thank you.